Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is day 6 of my drawing extravaganza. So today you will put all 10 of your numbers in order down below in the comment section, and also tell me which one was your favorite of the projects that I worked on. And today I'm working on Autumn House. I got this from, I believe I got it from Amazon, and it is a MayDear, kit. I know that Joy Sunday, I think, has the same one. So, yeah, let's start working. We're working down here in this little grass right in between the little wooden slats. And I got this color out, and it looks like a dark tacky green, if you will, but when I put it down here, it looks more brown than green. I guess it's all the surrounding colors. Oh my goodness. No, I did not go to work today. I just couldn't stand up for that long. But yesterday went much better. I only took one 3-hour nap all day. Well, it might not even have been 3 hours, but yeah. I laid down at some point and didn't get up till almost 3 o'clock. So maybe that's where the 3 is. But I can't remember what time I laid down. How's that? Oh, goodness. But, I felt better most of the day. My back was hurting less. And I'm not doing as much coughing. It seems to all be kind of settling in my chest, sort of, kind of. But, I mean, it doesn't hurt or anything. It's just I'm not coughing. I'm not being triggered to cough. So that's a good thing. But, yeah. So it felt much better to feel better. How's that? Yesterday, and I felt like doing a few more things. I did wash the dishes, but I didn't get the trash out. That was pushing it. Let's not go there. Just didn't feel like I had the energy to go that far. And I worked on, what did I work on? I stitched, on the crane a little bit. Had it out. The crane and the red bridge. Yeah, one day's kind of flowing into the next, so we might be a total person by the end of this week. I'm not real sure. And be able to make a consistent thought. I hope so, because I don't think I can stand being home another whole week. What are you doing, dog? Hold on. I don't know, she was just being so weird. So very weird. Anyway. Whoops, let's get that needle out of Laura's way, because, stuff happens all the time. Last thing I need to do is go to the doctor for jamming something up my hand. Just don't think I could take that this week. I got my soup put in the freezer, so I'll have that someday when it's nice and cold and all frosty outside. I'll have some nice hot soup to fix for lunch or dinner or whatever I so desire. I usually put my soup in quart freezer bags and just put them in the freezer, And then when I need them, I just take them out and let them defrost and heat it up. And it's instant dinner. Those days when I've been fighting the weather all day and don't feel like cooking. Yeah, I could just talk. See if I can bring it in just a little bit closer. Didn't know. Whoops, sorry, my bad. Then I tipped it. Hang on. There we go. Now try that again. So, yeah. I do that with beef and noodles and chicken and noodles and my green chili, of course. Because I don't need 12 quarts of green chili like right away. It's not like I'm serving 75 people here. I cook like I'm cooking for 75 people, but, you know, that's just me. Some things, some habits die hard, I guess. But it does freeze well, so I don't have a problem with that. And yes, I'm still stuffy. I didn't use the NyQuil last night. It, you know, didn't really keep me from having a stuffed up nose. It did while I was sleeping. Then when I got up, you know, the next day it was all back again. So, and I'm not about to take NyQuil more than once a day. No. I'm gonna go down here if I can get there. Do this part. It's just little parts all along the bottom here. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the extravaganza this week, contrary to the popular belief that not popular belief, but contrary to the fact that I was sick all week, but we got through it. We're good. And tomorrow I'll have the drawing for the extravaganza and the drawing for the one-day saving store special drawing. So, look forward to that. I think those were all the same. It was right down there in that brown, but if it wasn't, nobody's going to know that. Except for the pattern, and I'm not looking it up. I'll just wing it. MayDear has the same kind of patterns as Joy Sunday, where the paper pattern doesn't match the canvas. They both have their own separate symbols. It's just too much this week. Too much. Absolutely too much. And I can't begin to tell you what year I got this pattern in. Maybe 19? Possibly 20? Not sure. I'd have to look back on my Amazon thing. But never mind. It's good. Come on. Come on. Move them scissors. They're kind of heavy. That's the last thing that we need. Laying on the fabric. So, I got no other plans for the rest of this week. Taking it easy, I guess. Can't believe Halloween's in 2 weeks, isn't it? Something like that. Wow, this whole month has just gone. Why is it that after you get past September, it's October, November, December? You know. And then New Year. I'm like, what? Okay. So I have no idea what we're doing for Thanksgiving. I haven't talked to the kids or anybody about it. Whoops. I gotta move my... Need a drink of water. What can I say? Let me pull you out just a bit. Oh, for pity's sake. I went the wrong way. There we go. Jeez. Talk about up close and personal. Once I get the needle there, I'll pull you back in. You're going to have to move a bit. Let me go this way. Been kind of quiet around the park. I haven't heard anybody in about a week. Except for, what day was that? Was it Saturday? No, it had to have been Friday. They were working in the yard, in the trailer across the way. I think they started that on a Friday, and then they didn't work on yesterday or Saturday. I don't know if they're redoing the piping or just, what they're up to. I try to mind my own business and just keep moving. I was looking to see where else this symbol was. Guess there's a bunch of it up there behind that wagon wheel. I should have gotten out a full strand. Oh, come on. It's kind of hard to see where the edge of this square is when it's a plus symbol. That's what's throwing me off. So I'm just kind of relying on muscle memory here. Good gravy. Didn't watch a thing on Netflix. Watched a little bit of floss tubes and YouTubes, but nothing that I can remember. Just kind of had it on for noise, basically. Well, we got all that done. And there's probably someplace else that I'm not seeing. Rest of it seems to be up. About 10 more or more symbols in this whole area. Some parts of it's a little confetti, and others, we got nice long stretches. I don't know. We'll see. I grabbed the wrong scissors. Oh, dagnabbit. Well, they cut thread anyway. Been kind of cool in the morning, and it said somewhere, okay, in the next 10 days, because I was kind of read ahead and then went on, but we might or might not have rain mixed with snow. I don't know what day that was going to be, or if it's this week or next. It's within the next 10 days. How's that? Jeez. But we'll see. They always say that kind of crap, and then we don't get anything. And then there's other times when, oh, there's a 15% chance of snow today. Yeah, it snows about 6 feet. Well, not exactly 6 feet, but it snows a whole bunch. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, it won't be too long before it's just snows all the time and it's totally cold and yuck. Then we'll be out in the muck. A muck, a muck, a muck. Sorry. I tried to watch that show. I really did. The first one? Oh yeah, the kids had it down. Yeah, we watched that thing to death. This second one? Not so much. I couldn't even hardly handle 15, 20 minutes with my granddaughter watching it. I was like, okay, I've evolved. If you like it, you just go right ahead and watch it, sweetie. And I just went on. Well, I did that backwards, didn't I? Alright guys, I think that's going to be about it for today. Don't forget to put your numbers below and your favorite, I'm trying to get that to stay in there, favorite project that you liked this week. And I will get all the names and do all the things. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.